Good afternoon. Myself, Dr. A. Krishnan, Associate Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering. Today we go to discuss about the non-destructive testing. So the subject will be related to the third year mechanical engineering as well as common to all. Here we have to discuss about what is meant by non-destructive testing and overall outline for this non-destructive testing, as well as what are all the method have to use for testing the specimen by in this non-destructive testing methods. So these are all the topic you have to discuss in the non-destructive testing. First of all, why do we choose for the non-destructive testing? Because so the commercially we have used as for some testing method. So these are all the testing method. The testing specimen is damaged after the testing process or inspection process is completed. We go to check for some testing specimen. That means the workpiece you have to check by using the testing instrument that will be damaged. For example, you have to check the hardness of the given material. You have to check by using the Rockwell hardness method or Brenner hardness method or some other Vickers hardness method. So you got to check by indentation of the given specimen. The indentation will make some impact on the given testing specimen. So the damage will be occur in the testing piece. So in the non-destructive testing method, the workpiece does not any damage or destroyed after the inspection process is over. That is one of the special advantages in the non-destructive testing methods. So the overall outline of the non-destructive testing method. Here, first of all, introduce of what is meant by destructive method and what is meant by non-destructive testing method, and the overview of most common destructive and non-destructive testing method is used in this field of testing inspection method. And also, so what are all the applications I have done by using the NDT method? So shortly, briefly, I have to indicated as non-destructive testing is NDT method. The first of all, the definition of the NDT. So already we discussed, already told that the destructive means the after the testing or inspection process is completed, the given workpiece is occur some damages or some breakage on this specimen. In the non-destructive testing, the workpiece or testing specimen is does not damage after the inspection process is over. So that is the definition of the NDT. And also we can check the which type of material is present in this given specimen, and also we can check by using the NDT method. So how much quantity of material will be available in this, and also we can check the component structure by using this NDT method. These are all the advantages of the NDT method. Here Here is shows some of the method have used in this NDT method. One is visual inspection method. That is nothing but we can use it by using the human eye. Normally we can என்ன பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னா we can check the given testing specimen by using the human eye. ஹியூமன் ஐ மூலமா சாதாரணமா நம்ம பார்த்து அந்த சர்ஃபேஸ்ல எதுவும் கிராக்ஸ் இருக்கா அப்படின்னு செக் பண்றதுக்கு பேரு விசுவல் இன்ஸ்பெக்ஷன் வித்தவுட் யூசிங் எனி ஆர்டிக்கல் இன்ஸ்ட்ருமெண்ட். That is the visual inspection. If you go to use it for some magnification lens, magnifying lens, that means zooming lens, by using human eye, check the testing specimen. So and also by checking the by using the torchlight, some other lighting equipment, by the help of the lighting equipment, by the visual inspection. That is one of the visual inspection method. And we go to give some introduction videos about the visual inspection and non-destructive testing method. See that. The next one is, so various methods. One of the method is visual inspection method, and another one is, you can show the various entity method. In some videos I have to display. So what are all the entity method I have to discuss it here? The magnetical particle testing method, and also thermography testing method, and acoustic microscopy method, and liquid penetrant testing method, and